Hello students, welcome to the channel Chemistry with SOFIA. Today we are going to understand hybridization. But don't worry, we will learn it in a very simple and visual way. So let's begin. Before we move into hybridization, let's quickly recall something we already learned, the atom. In the previous video, we saw that everything around us is made of atoms. Book, water, air, even you and me. An atom has a center called the nucleus, and electrons move around it. You can imagine the nucleus like the sun and electrons like planet moving around it. This basic structure is very important because hybridization happens inside the atom. So now let's move one step deeper. Now let's talk about orbitals. Electrons do not move randomly. They move in fixed regions called orbitals. Orbitals are just paths or regions where electrons are most likely to be found. You can imagine orbitals like invisible rooms where electrons live. Different orbitals have different shapes like s orbital and p orbital, which I had mentioned in this photo. Now here comes an important question. If atoms already have orbitals, then why do we need hybridization? The answer is simple. Sometimes normal orbitals cannot make strong and stable bonds. So atoms mix their orbital to form new and stronger orbitals. This mixing process is called hybridization. Think of it like mixing colors to make a new color. So, hybridization means mixing of atomic orbital to form new hybrid orbital. For example, one s orbital and one p orbital mix together to form sp hybrid orbitals. These new orbitals help atoms to form strong and stable molecules. Let's understand sp hybridization. Here, one s orbital and one p orbital mix together. They form two sp hybrid orbitals. These orbitals arrange themselves in a straight line, making an angle of 180 degrees. A common example is BeCl2. So remember, sp hybridization gives a linear shape. Now let's move to sp2 hybridization. Here, one s orbital and two p orbitals mix together. This forms three sp2 orbitals. These orbitals arrange themselves in a triangular shape with an angle of 120 degrees. A good example is BF3. So remember, sp2 means trigonal planar shape. Next is sp3 hybridization. Here, one s orbital and three p orbitals mix together. This forms 4 sp3 Hybrid orbitals. They arrange themselves in a tetrahedral shape. A very common example is CH4 methane. This shape helps atom stay stable and balanced. Let's quickly revise. Hybridization means mixing of orbitals. sp is linear shaped. sp2 is trigonal shaped. sp3 having tetrahedral shape. This is how atoms form strong bonds and stable molecules. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and follow Chemistry with Sophia. In the next video, we will make this even more interesting by solving examples.